Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tosin T. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. Today I basically did a review on these new Makeup Revolution glow bronzers. They're freaking amazing. Like, I love these bronzers. I started off, I have my foundation already on, but I showed you guys a quick highlight and contour routine, just what I do, and then I went ahead and showed you guys my review on these bronzers. And yeah, I got the shade medium and the shade dark. These bronzers retail for $12 in the US and £8 in the UK, and these bronzers are really popular in the UK right now. They have the color dark, deep dark, light, medium, and medium dark. So you definitely want to watch this review if you are my shade, or even if you're lighter or darker than me. Watching this review is just going to make you have an idea of what shade you should get. But yeah, if you guys want to see my review on these really great bronzers, especially for black women, then keep on watching. Guys, so far I've put my foundation on, so yeah, let's just get straight into it. I'm gonna do my concealer, my contour, everything really quick, and then we're gonna go straight into reviewing the bronzers. For concealer, I'm gonna take my Milani Concealer Perfect concealer, and I'm gonna just go ahead and conceal my under eye. If you haven't watched my last video on how to be a baddie, go watch that video, and then you're gonna know why my nails are not done. If you already watched my YouTube channel, then you would know that I used a couple of concealers on my face, but that's because I have really dry skin, so I just feel like I need to use multiple concealers just to kind of get that like creamy look. I feel like because my skin is dry, the concealer can kind of tend to just sit in my skin and look very like crusty. So I don't want it to look crusty, so that's why I use multiple concealers. So for the other two concealers, I'm going to use my NARS creamy concealer. I'm going to use this True Match drugstore concealer. I apply the NARS first, and then I apply the True Match on top because the True Match is lighter, and that's pretty much my highlight shade. So for the True Match, I kind of just put a little bit under the eye. Not for the True Match. For the NARS, I kind of just put it under the eye. It's not really like, I don't know, I don't really like put it in the triangle like typical shape. And then for the highlight, the True Match, that's where I go and like proper go in and highlight the face. That's sitting on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick, and I'm just going to put that in my normal contour areas. So while I let my contour sit, I'm gonna go ahead and blend out that concealer. Y'all are probably thinking, oh my god, this is so light, like what is she doing? But it all comes together in the end. You just have to trust the process. So I'm done blending out all my concealer. I'm going to go ahead and blend in my contour, and I'm just going to use this kabuki type brush to just blend it in. Now that I'm done blending in my contour, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Swatches Buttercup setting powder. And then on top of that, I like to put the airspun. It's a new technique that I have. I haven't always been putting airspun on top, but my friend Chini told me about airspun, and then I realized when I put it on top, it just gives me a nice, smoother finish. So that's what I like to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Swatches Buttercup. Boom. Done with the side. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I'm gonna take some of my airspun powder. I'm gonna go ahead and Put that on top of the soft shell buttercup. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and my eyelashes off camera, and then we'll be back and we're gonna go ahead and review those bronzers. Okay guys, so I just finished putting on my eyebrows and my eyelashes, and now I'm gonna wipe off my setting powder, and I'm gonna use my MAC NC50 to just wipe that away. So I'm done wiping all of that setting powder away, and I'm gonna just contour my face with this Fit Me powder in the color 375. And I'm not gonna do a heavy contour because I don't want it to like get in the way of us seeing how the bronzers look. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face down with the Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray, and this is just to kind of just make the powder sink into the skin so that everything that I put on after can go on better. So while the setting spray is drying on my face, we're gonna go ahead and swatch these so we can see how they look on my skin tone. A lot of the other reviews that I did, like I watched like 2 other reviews, and the girls were a little bit darker complexion than I am, so I kind of was just confused and I didn't know which bronzers I should get because it was hard for me to find someone of just like my complexion that did a review on it. So I got the colors medium, and I got the color dark. And so I think the best thing for me to like swatch it with is the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mommy, because this is what I use to like bronze my face. And so yeah, it comes in just like a regular, well not regular, it comes in like a cute rose gold packaging. And yeah, let's go ahead and open it. So the packaging is so hard to get open, like it's actually a struggle. I've been doing this for like 2 minutes now. This is made this packaging harder. Like, I am actually struggling. Okay, got it. Okay, wow, it's really big. This is how it looks. Yeah, it's really big. It's like the size of my whole palm. Let's look at it. First look, and this is the shade dark, and it comes with a mirror. Cute. I love when things come with mirrors. It has a little plastic covering, and then this is how dark looks on camera. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other packaging open for medium, and then I'll come back, show you them next to each other, and then swatch them with Mocha Mommy. So guys, I just got the packaging open for medium finally, and let's go ahead and see how they look next to each other. This is medium right here, and this is dark. So I have dark in my left hand right here, and then medium in my right. So this is them next to each other. So you guys can see like the difference in the richness in dark and then medium. So this is dark right here. Just dark up at the top, and then medium right here. Fenty Mocha Mommy, just so you guys can kind of have an idea of where the color range stands, so that if you're thinking about getting it, you can know what color to get for yourself. And then we have Mocha Mommy. So you can see as Mocha Mommy is like a really red, rich like shade for bronzer. So we have dark here, medium here, and then Fenty Mocha Mommy here. So let's go ahead and start off with medium first on this side. I'm gonna use my Morphe E59 bronzing brush to apply this bronzer. And so let's go ahead and dip. Should I put a little bit or should I put a lot? I think I'm gonna try to build it up. I'm not gonna just put a lot at one time. So let's just go in. There's obviously a lot of kickback. I mean, kickback, fallout, I don't know what you guys call it. But yeah, there's a good amount of that. I like the color. It looks a little bit like a light version of Mocha Mommy. And then over here. This is how it's looking so far, guys. So this is no bronzer at all, and then this is with medium. And I honestly think I like it. It looks really pretty. Really subtle, but you can definitely see it. I love this. Yeah, so far I like medium. It's really cute. Like, I think I could definitely use this every day. So yeah, I'm gonna give this one a 10 because right now it's looking cute. So let's go ahead and try the color dark and see how dark looks. So dark is obviously a little bit darker than medium is. So let's go into dark, and like I said, you get that fall back. Like, I feel like this I feel like this could break very easily. Like, if you used to drop this, finito. Let's go ahead and use their mirror. Just whoop. It's a little bit dark, but let's go ahead and just blend it out. Okay, yeah, it's very blendable. That's one thing I like about it. Like, if you put a lot, you can still very much so blend it out and work with it. Put a little bit on our forehead, on this side of our face. I really like both, to be honest. I think they're both like have really nice red undertones for good range for black girls. So there's a lot of neutral, cool tones, and then red undertones. So the red ones are really nice, and I think the red ones that they have are dark and medium. So if you're looking for like that red Fenty Mocha Mommy type bronzer, definitely get the dark or the medium. I'm glad I got these because they give you that red bronzer effect. I could do medium on days where like I'm doing like a soft glam and I don't want the bronzer to be too crazy. I will use the dark on a day like I'm doing a full face glam and like I want that bronzer to really like pop in the end. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend all of it kind of out together with each other. I'm not gonna mix them, but I'm gonna just kind of blend a little bit more. Add some blush. I really like their mirror. It's really big and really usable. Put a little bit of blush on, and now we're going to set our whole entire face with Morph setting spray, and we're going to set it and see kind of how the bronzer sits into the face, how it looks in the end. I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to add some underline eyeliner, and then we're going to be back and see how the rest of the face looks. Hey guys, so I'm inserting this quick clip because I forgot to tell y'all, but it smells so good. Like, it has like a coconut type, fruit type smell. Like, it doesn't smell bad at all. Like, I wish you guys could smell it. It smells like pineapples and coconut and just fresh. So yes, it smells really good. So you guys, I'm completely done with my face, and I'm honestly like really like happy that I got these bronzers. Like, they're really cute. I feel like I really love the look that they gave me. Perfect for brown girls, dark girls, black girls. Get your hand on these bronzers. They're affordable. Like, yeah, so I think I could have definitely went a little bit lighter on the dark that I used, but I wanted to show you guys the full pigment of the color. But I think for everyday I would definitely use the medium and probably mix it with a little bit of the dark to get the like for sure look that I want to get. They give you a lot for the price. Like, this is very big. Like, let me open it again. Packaging for this is huge for it to be only $12, I think it is. So this side is the dark, which looks a little bit like, I really like the dark. Like, I'm really in love with the dark. And then this side is the medium that looks like, it's just a subtle, but it's still a bronze look. I really love it. Like, definitely get your hands on these. I'm gonna leave the link to these in the description box. Fat mirror. Thank you. And yeah, the only thing that I hated was how hard the packaging was to open. Like, girl was struggling back here. But yes, this is the full look, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I definitely give it a 10 out of 10. I really love this bronzer. Like, this is my new everyday bronzer that I'm going to be using on my face. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And make sure you go check out my last video, How to Be a Baddie. I did a makeup look in that video as well. And I also have a drugstore makeup routine where I showed you guys everything that I use on my face that's under $10. So go check out my other videos. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're here, if you made it this far, you might as well subscribe. Really, you like me, so just subscribe to my channel. And see you guys in my next video.